Okay guys, generator time. All the people around here were using their generators because we were out of power with the storm. So one of my customers has this one. He literally has 2 hours on it, doesn't have any hours on it. Fresh gas in it, he always drained it. He says it won't start, won't start, won't start. So I bring it home. Then he calls me up and says, hey, I got power back, so I don't really need it right now, so take your time. So okay. So I put him back in the truck. And it's been sitting in the truck all week, and I said, all right, Saturday morning, it's nice out today, let me take a look at it. And I'm thinking to myself, this guy takes care of his equipment, he always drains it, the thing's like brand new, the gas was good and all that. So then I had an epiphany. What's my biggest nemesis with Chinese engines that always comes to haunt me? Yeah, you got it, buddies. I looked on the end there, and I'm saying, what does it say over there? Where is it? Where is it? Uh-oh. Get my foot, there we go. What does it say? The infamous torch. My buddy Roy, his favorite part in the world. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that plug out. I'm gonna put in a Champion or an NGK, and we're gonna see what happens. So I'll be back with you shortly. Well, I hate to say it, guys, it wasn't the torch spark plug, although I wish it was. I did replace it though with an NGK. I put an NGK BPR 60S, so better to have the NGK anyway. What it was, the carburetor was definitely filthy. I had to clean out the carburetor and all that. But then it started hunting like crazy. And generally when carburetors hunt, it means it's looking for fuel. So I just so happen to have a spare carburetor, and it's the pilot jet. The pilot jet that goes right in here on these carburetors. Usually the screw goes in for the idle, and then the pilot jet's just underneath it. These things come with holes that are about 8 or 9 thousandths in diameter. And if you look on Donnie Boy and Steve Small Engine and Terrell's videos, they say to open it up to about 13. So I went to open it up to 13, it was still hunting. So I went up a few more sizes, I went to 18 thousandths, and let's see what she sounds like at 18 thousandths. Keep in mind, it was hunting like crazy before. Let's see what we got. Well, I'd say that's a win, but we still got to verify it's doing what it's doing. So let's go into the shop, and my messy shop. Everybody's shop is messy. Yeah, my shop is extremely messy. All right, where is the tester? Oh, there it is. We'll grab, I have it on an extension cord. Anyway, we'll grab the whole thing. And let's see what this sucker's putting out. We have our kilowatt tester, and let's see if she's putting out the right cycles and everything else. All right, guys, well, putting out 119 volts, which is good. 63 hertz, you know, not too bad. A little high, but not too bad. So at this point, the way that this generator is set up, there's not a real easy way to set the governor on this one, except for playing with the spring, and I don't want to do that because it's within tolerance, within 4 or 5, so I'm going to keep it there. So looks like we got a win-win here, guys. The pilot jet on that carburetor, easy fix. The NGK plug, that's just good insurance, and looks like I'm returning this to its customer and he'll be happy. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.